How to test internet speed on computer. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can test internet speed on computer. There are several ways and websites to test your internet speed on your computer such as speed test and fast.com. Start by opening any web browser on your device first, and in the search bar you need to type speedtest.net. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the enter button to search for it. Now within a while, you will be taken to the official website of speed test. Here you will be able to see this go button. Click on this go, and once you do that, it will begin the test. Now you need to wait for a while until it finishes. The website will measure your download speed, upload speed and ping. Wait for it to finish, and then you will be able to see all the results. Once it is successfully done, here now you can review the internet speed of your computer. Another way to do is, you need to go to the fast.com website. Open a new tab on your browser, and in the search bar type in fast.com. Then press on enter to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Fast. Here the website will automatically detect the results of your internet speed. Wait for it to finish, and then you will be able to see your internet speed. You can also click on this show more info button right at the bottom, and then it will show your download, upload and ping information. So by following the steps, you should be able to test your internet speed on computer. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.